Yesterday, market participants was get to know one of the major reports that was enable them to assess conditions in the largest global economy. So, US inflation data was on investors' radars. Besides, on Friday, the economic calendar reminds us of another crucial report that will shed light on recovery prospects of the US economy. No wonder these reports are viewed as market catalysts. Now let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. In the European trade today, the ECB will publish a statement of the monetary policy meeting that was held on December 10. At that meeting, the regulator decided to expand its pandemic emergency purchase program by another 500 billion euros and prolong its term at least until March 2022. So the central bank is making every effort to support the alien Eurozone economy hit by the coronavirus crisis. At the same time, the ECB maintained the key interest rate at a zero level. Such policy decisions cemented investors' optimism about the single European currency. The minutes of the policy meeting are likely to revive optimism of the euro traders. As usual on Thursdays, market participants keep close tabs on weekly data on unemployment claims in the United States. On Friday, the US Labor Department released non-farm payrolls, which looked a contraction of jobs in December. Thus, traders will be alerted to weekly updates on unemployment claims. Analysts foresee flat reading both in first-time jobless claims and continuing claims last week. On Friday, traders speculators on the pound sterling will see a downward correction of the pound-dollar pair. The Bank of England governor dropped a hint that negative interest rates are out of the question. Such remarks lifted the trajectory of the pound-dollar pair. However, the sterling could retrace amid the data on the UK industrial production. Analysts warn of downbeat data so that actual readings could undershoot flash estimates. Likewise, the United States will also release tepid data on industrial production, but investors will hardly take notice of this report. The highlight on Friday will be retail sales data. This will be the data for December, which is the peak of consumer activity amid Christmas sales. Nevertheless, market participants are braced for dismal data, bearing in mind the negative forecast. In November, retail sales sank 1.1%. Experts say that retail sales could have extended a decline to a less degree in December. So the consensus suggests that retail sales in the United States rebounded to minus 0.1%. This will trigger sell-offs of the US dollar. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.